1. If you're looking for a classic ride that's ready to hit the road, look no further than this 1985 Chevrolet El Camino. With a price tag of $4,500, this beauty is a steal. This El Camino has been well maintained and daily driven for the past 3/4 years, so you can be sure it's been tested and proven on the road. The previous owner swapped in a 305 SBC engine, estimated at around 130 miles, and installed a 704 transmission with overdrive for smooth shifting. The current owner has taken great care of the El Camino, replacing many parts over their ownership, including the ignition switch, distributor, timing chain, starter, and more. However, there are a few things that need attention, such as the A/T, which needs a new belt on the compressor, speedo needs a new cable, tachometer wired but needs a new one, and high beams, a piece on the ignition switch broke. But don't let those minor issues deter you. This El Camino has a lot to offer. It features a full exhaust system with long tube headers and straight back with glass packs, giving it a sweet and powerful sound. Plus, the current owner has installed a new sound system with a head unit and 4 new speakers, as well as a 10-inch sub. And if you're looking for more functionality, the El Camino can come with a camper top and bed liner. Plus, with antique tags and a custom plate, S10BU, you'll be exempt from inspections and admissions requirements. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a classic El Camino at an unbeatable price. Contact the seller today to schedule a test drive and make this beauty yours. 2. Are you looking for a classic car that exudes style and sophistication? Look no further than the 1964 Ford Thunderbird we have available for sale. With its sleek design and powerful engine, this car is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Our Thunderbird has been driven only 20,829 miles since it left the factory, and it shows in its excellent condition. The exterior is finished in the desirable pagoda green paint code, which gives the car a deep turquoise hue that shines beautifully in the sun. The interior is trimmed in original black vinyl, complementing the exterior perfectly. The car's Kelsey Hayes real wire wheels and fender skirts add a touch of elegance and sophistication. Under the hood, the car's 390 cubic inch 300 horsepower V8 engine runs smoothly and strongly, with recent maintenance including a full tune-up, new exhaust, and rebuilt carburetor. The car has been well cared for and is in excellent mechanical condition. This Thunderbird was built on November 14, 1963 at the Wixom, Michigan Ford plant and was sold to a doctor in Oregon. It was used sparingly over the next 23 years before being sold to a collector in Oregon. The car was then purchased by a known collector in Massachusetts, who kept it until his passing. We acquired the car as part of an estate sale, and it is now being offered for sale with a Massachusetts registration. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this stunning 1964 Ford Thunderbird. With its low mileage, excellent condition, and powerful engine, it's a rare find that's sure to appreciate in value over time. The asking price is $25,995, which is a steal for a car of this quality and history. Contact us today to schedule a test drive and make this beautiful Thunderbird yours. 3. If you're looking for a rare and unique driving experience, look no further than this 1968 Buick Wildcat convertible. With only 60,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty has been driven less than 3,000 miles per year on average, making it a true gem for any car enthusiast. This Wildcat is one of only 2,276 units built in 1968, and with only a few hundred left on the road, this is truly a rare find. The exterior boasts a stunning brown finish, complemented by a luxurious black interior. The fuel-injected 430 cubic inch V8 engine provides plenty of power, and the automatic transmission makes cruising a breeze. As the seller notes, this Wildcat is all original right down to the factory air conditioning. However, the motor does burn some oil, which is to be expected given its age and mileage. But fear not, as the seller assures us that there is absolutely no rot on this car, and only a small surface rust area on the top of the trunk lid. Inside, the interior is in great condition, with power windows, seat, and top all functioning as they should. However, The front seat does show some wear and rips, but this only adds to the car's charm and character. This 1968 Buick Wildcat convertible is a true time capsule and a must-have for any car enthusiast. With a price tag of $18,500, this is an incredible value for a car of this rarity and condition. And as the seller notes, you can fly in and drive it home, or they can help arrange transport. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of history. 4. Are you looking for a classic car that's both stylish and affordable? Look no further than this 1962 Kyoda Stbaker Lark 6, available for sale at an unbeatable price of $5,800. With only 181,000 miles on the odometer, this car has plenty of life left in it. The exterior boasts a sleek white finish, while the interior features a stunning blue interior. Under the hood, you'll find a fuel-efficient 6-cylinder engine paired with a new Borg-Warner 3-speed manual transmission. According to the seller, this vehicle is in great condition and has been well maintained over the years. There's no significant damage or problems to report, and the car comes with a clean title. As the seller notes, this Studebaker Lark 6 is a solid, easy-to-work-on daily driver that turns heads wherever it goes. It's a great car for anyone looking for a classic vehicle that's both reliable and affordable. So don't wait. Take this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. The seller is open to considering a fair offer, so make your move today. And remember, as the seller puts it, hate to sell it, but I need something bigger. So don't let this rare find slip away. 5. Looking for a stunning classic car that's been well maintained and upgraded with modern features? Look no further than this 1968 Buick Riviera. With only 74,253 miles on the odometer, this beauty has been driven less than 5,000 miles per year on average, making it an excellent choice for any collector or enthusiast. The exterior boasts a sleek white finish, complemented by a stylish black interior. Under the hood, you'll find a rebuilt transmission and a new motor with only 150 miles on it. The exhaust system has been upgraded to a Flowmaster dual exhaust, giving this classic car a powerful and rumbling sound. This Riviera has been well maintained and has no significant damage or problems. The seller has replaced many parts, including the front windshield, brakes, coil springs, and suspension components, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. The vinyl top is also new, and all rubber moldings have been replaced. Inside, you'll find a clean and comfortable interior with no rust on the floor pans or trunk. The body is free of any significant damage or rot, and the new Vogue tires provide excellent grip and handling. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a classic car that's been lovingly cared for and upgraded with modern features. With a clean title and a price of just $6,500, this 1968 Buick Riviera is an incredible value that won't last long. 6. I'm pleased to introduce to you this 1981 Mercury Capri for sale, priced at $15,000. This baby has been driven 133,932 miles and has an automatic transmission with an exterior color of blue and interior color of blue. It's a gasoline-powered vehicle in excellent condition, with a clean Carfax report. The seller has given it a complete makeover, with a rebuilt motor in 2019, bored 30 over with a cam, and new headers, catalytic converters, mufflers, and exhaust. The exhaust sounds great, and it has 4 newer tires, size 245/45 17. It has 4 factory keys and a new radio, making it a real showstopper on the car show circuit. This is a second-generation Capri, produced between 1979 and 1986, and it has a PA title. The seller has gone the extra mile to ensure that the vehicle is professionally fully detailed, so you can be sure it's in top condition. Plus, they offer a very easy and transparent purchase experience. So, if you're looking for a fun and rare car to make memories with, this 1981 Mercury Capri is the one. With its blue exterior and interior, it's a head-turner and a real gem. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 7. Are you looking for a classic Datsun 280s that's been well maintained and is ready to hit the road? Look no further. I've got just the car for you. A 1977 Datsun 280s with a manual transmission, clean title, and a price of $23,500. This beauty has been driven only 78,500 miles and has been well cared for by its 3 previous owners. The exterior is painted in an undefined color, but the interior is in great shape with a clean and comfortable interior. The car has been garaged due to the weather, so it's in excellent condition inside and out. The seller has provided some minor rust repairs, but the car has no significant damage or problems. It's been driven at MSR without any issues, and the seller has included a ton of upgrades to enhance its performance and handling. These upgrades include a new starter and alt, 240Z bumper conversion, T3 evolved coilovers with Swift springs, T3 rear lower control arm, poly/rubber bushings all around, and much more. The car also features some fantastic wheels and tires, including Toyo R888R tires and RS Watanabe 15X8 wheels. The brakes have been upgraded with StopTech brake pads and slotted rotors, and the steering has been improved with a Nardi steering wheel and triple Solex Mikuni 40 PHA carburetor that's been rebuilt by Kyoda House. In addition to these upgrades, the car has also been equipped with an MSD blaster coil, velocity stacks, and a FET intake. The interior features a Nardi steering wheel, triple Solex Mikuni 40 PHA carburetor, and a Works Bell rapid release. 8. Are you in the market for a reliable and affordable pickup truck? Look no further than this 1983 Ford Ranger Regular Cab XLT. With a price of $3,000 and a low mileage of 92,000, this truck is a steal. This Ford Ranger has been driven by only 2 owners and has a clean title, so you can buy with confidence. The exterior is painted in a sleek blue color, and the interior is equally as stylish, with blue upholstery. The fuel type is gasoline, so you'll save on fuel costs. Plus, with a manual transmission and 4-wheel drive, you'll have no problem navigating tough terrain. The seller has provided some minor details about the vehicle's history. It has been parked for a while, but it's been recently started and has a new fuel pump and muffler. The exterior may look a bit rougher than the photos, but it's still a great-looking truck. And with only 2 owners, you can rest assured that this truck has been well maintained. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. This 1983 Ford Ranger Regular Cab XLT is a rare find at this price point, so act fast before it's gone. With its low mileage, clean title, and reliable performance, this truck is perfect for anyone looking for a practical and affordable vehicle. Contact the seller today to schedule a test drive and take this truck home. 9. If you are interested in pickups, we are pleased to present to you this 1982 Dodge D150 Club Cab Long Bed. First off, let me tell you that this truck has been driven for 9,300 miles, and it's an automatic transmission. The exterior is a stylish tan, and the interior is also tan. It's a gasoline-powered vehicle, and it has had 3 owners in its lifetime. The seller mentions that the truck has some dents that can be easily removed, and the seat needs to be recovered. However, the truck ran when the seller parked it, and the plugs and fluids need to be changed to get it running again. One thing to note is that the truck has had some modifications. The original inline-6 engine was swapped out for a 318 engine. The tires are new, and the steel wheels have been painted black. Overall, this 1982 Dodge D150 Club Cab Long Bed has some minor cosmetic issues, but has a lot of potential. It's a gasoline-powered vehicle with low miles and a reasonable price tag of $4,000. If you're interested in this truck, I recommend you check it out in person and have a mechanic take a look under the hood before making a decision. It's always better to be safe than sorry, especially when buying a used vehicle. 10. Are you looking for a classic car that exudes style and sophistication? Look no further than this 1970 Chevrolet Impala Coupe, available for sale at an affordable price of $12,000. This beautiful vehicle has been driven for 67,500 miles and has an automatic transmission, making it a breeze to cruise around in. The exterior boasts a stunning green color, while the interior is sleek and sophisticated with black upholstery. What's more, This Impala runs and drives great, with no mechanical issues to speak of. The heater and air conditioning both work perfectly, and the 3-speed transmission shifts smoothly. The tires are almost new, and the interior is in great condition. The only flaw being a small dent on the front fender that can easily be fixed. Now here's the best part. This vehicle is paid off, so you can enjoy driving it without any financial burden. Located in Oklahoma, this 1970 Impala Coupe is a rare find that won't last long on the market. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this stunning classic car. Contact the seller today to schedule a test drive and make an offer.